What do you want? I want to see the manager. You may see him. I said I want to see the manager. I am the manager. I am sorry, sir. I took you for a clerk. Please pardon my offense. Oh, that's all right. What can I do for you? I want a job in your office. Well, that's the job. I will see you in a moment. Come inside. Is it tea? You fool. Sorry, sir. Do you want tea? Yes, I want tea. I am sorry, sir. There is no tea. You drink this water. I don't want this water. Go away. Oh, no. I mean you to sit down. I'm sure that someone came here. Where is he? I am here, sir. Oh, no. I mean you to sit in this chair. You have came here for a job and you do not know how to sit. I am sorry, sir. Oh, that's all right. What's your name? Louder, sir. What's your name? Louder, sir. Look here, my man. How many louder do you want me to shout? Sir, my name is Louder. Oh, Mr. Louder. What's your other name? Shut up, sir. What? You are telling me to shut up? Sir, my name is Louder. Shut up. Oh, sorry. Where does Mr. Louder shut up? Achinapan, sir. You chicken pot. Not chicken pot. Achinapan near Turanji. Oh, for good heaven's sake. Where on earth are these two places? Well, common sense will tell you that they are closer to each other. Oh, okay. Now I must test you. I am ever ready, sir. Well, can you tell me how I get trained? Oh, that's all right. The earth rotates on its axis 24 hours a day. Naturally, it gets tired and starts perspiring. The balanced water will flow